Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Tech for Gamers. In this video, we will be learning how to add friends in Hearthstone using your mobile device. To add friends in the Hearthstone game, launch open Hearthstone on your device first and from the home page, tap on the friend icon located at the top left. Now, tap on the little button right next to your username at the top and from the expanded menu, click on Add Friend. Now it'll ask you if you'd like to turn on the chats. Turning on chat will allow you to send and receive messages from friends. So if you want to do that, tap on Turn On and then type in the battle tag or email address of the person you are trying to add. After you do that, search for the friend. Once you do that, you will then be able to add the person on your friend list. That way, you can easily add friends on Hearthstone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.